some problems that look like the more complicated examples we can actually simplify if they can be written in terms of the same base. So 3 and 9 can both be written in terms of base 3. 9 is 3 squared, and obviously 3 is just 3 to the first power. So we rewrite our base in terms of the common base and copy down our old exponents, x plus 1, x minus 3. And now we need to remember that when you raise an exponent to an exponent, you multiply. So 1 times x plus 1 would be x plus 1 equals 3, and then make sure to distribute that 2, so that would be 2x minus 6. And now since my bases are equal, I can set the exponents equal to each other. So x plus 1 equals 2x minus 6. And solving that equation, I get that x equals 7. Looking at the next one, I can't write 4 and 8 in terms of base 4, but I could rewrite them in terms of base 2. So 2 squared is equal to 4, and 2 cubed is equal to 8. Let's copy down our exponents, 2t plus 1, and then t minus 1. Now since my bases are the same, that means I can multiply the exponents. So 2 times 2t plus 1 equals 3 times t minus 1. Let's distribute. 4t plus 2 equals 3t minus 3. And that gives me t equals negative 5. The last type of problem that we look at for exponentials is when I have a trinomial. What have we done with trinomials? Maybe we've done some factoring. So what I notice is that I have my first two terms have an e, and then I have a constant at the end. So what I'm going to do is try to force this to be something that we've seen before. So I'm trying to think of it as something like this. I'm trying to get it to be that. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to just rewrite this first term a little bit differently. I'm going to copy everything else down. So all I'm going to do is instead of writing it as e to the 2x, I'm going to write it as e to the x squared. And now if you notice, I have e to the x, and what are those in the place of? In my normal problem, these would be where I had an x. So I'm just going to kind of box this up right here. And I'm going to say, let u, we like to use u for these, u equal e to the x. And now I can rewrite this as 2u squared plus 5u minus 3 equals 0. And now I have something I can factor. What multiplies to negative 6 and adds to 5? That would be 6 and negative 1. Some of you slip inside, some of you use the box. I'm going to show with the box. So put everything in your box, factor it out, and I get 2u minus 1 times u plus 3. But my original problem didn't have u's. My original problem, I had e to the x. So now I'm going to substitute e to the x in for u in both those spots. Copy everything else down. And now doesn't this look like our happy little normal solving problems? Now I notice that for this one on the right, when I solve, I'm going to get e to the x equals negative 3, but I can't have an exponential equal to a negative, so that's not going to generate any solutions. Now if I look on the left, solve for e to the x, isolate that. And last, we're going to use our calculator. This is log base e of 1/2 equals x, aka natural log of 1/2. Typing that in the calculator, I get negative 0.693.